welcome to my channel, The Other Side KE. It's your girl Maya. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode. So today is the day the campaign is being launched. Pick Up Your Trash by Tucci Art. So stay tuned for more. So in case you want to get your hands on these beautiful t-shirts, they go for 1,000 shillings if it's the normal t-shirts and 2,000 shillings if they're polo t-shirts. And they go to provide different expenses with regards to the association. They can support such campaigns such as Pick Up Your Trash with materials and transport, amongst other things. So, and you get a beautiful t-shirt, so just support. The banner was up and ready, and as you can see, different associations came together for this beautiful campaign. Malindi Green and Blue, Tucci Art, Funpot Skating, YADA, that stands for Young African Defenders in Action, PWAM, that stands for Progress Welfare Association of Malindi, Girls to Women, amongst other individuals such as myself. We all just want a clean, eco-friendly environment, because in case it's not clear, we do not have another planet, so we need to take care of this planet that we have, okay? So come and support. This is a beautiful campaign. You can do it from wherever you are. And of course, this girl had to go behind the banner, because who do you think I am? I had to go and scream my lungs out, pick up your trash. That is Tucci Art's mother, okay? She is very hands-on. She's also an environmentalist. You could tell that she's also very passionate about this campaign. So good job. Good job, Charity. Shout out to you. So there's a bit of training on how to scream and shout. But yeah, it worked out in the end. As you can see here, we're being provided with gloves. As I had told you guys earlier, supporting the association by buying t-shirts provides the necessary materials to support such a campaign. So please support, please buy the t-shirts. Also, just pick up your trash wherever you are. You do not have to be in Malindi. This is just me giving you guys a tutorial that no one asked for, but you're totally going to get on how to wear gloves. And for some reason, this day, it was difficult to put on the gloves. But also, I mean, can you guys see my hands? Do you see that beautiful henna? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see this beautiful henna? I mean, I just had to, yeah. So the campaign was ready to begin, and to start us off, it was none other than the Funpot skating team. They're going to showcase their talents, their skills, and their stunts. And as you can see, the road was also closed off to bring awareness to this beautiful campaign, and it was really impressive. We could, showcase different businesses, showcase different talents, feeling safe as we collected trash. And what better way to do this than exactly how it was done? So this was a really, really good job. I finally get to see the most amazing friend, Zainab. She was there to support the campaign. Wow. Woo. The kids were not being polite with picking up trash. They were just getting right in there and going all in, and they were not joking with picking up trash. They were actually there to do the job. And it's pretty sad to see how much plastic we just dispose anyhow, anywhere. Yeah, it's pretty sad. I mean, just look at how much plastic we were able to collect. It was a good thing for us for the campaign, but it's pretty sad how we just consume and dispose of these plastics and litter. Anyhow, we need to get a better system. We need to take care of our environment. So please be cautious as you're buying these things. See how you can recycle or how you're going to dispose them in a good way that it protects and it's friendly to the environment. Yes, tell us something about the campaign. Pick up your trash. We are concentrating with plastics mostly. We had entertainment as we were picking up trash, and it's the best feeling. People were not tired. We were also just interacting and engaging with one another, and it was beautiful to see us coming together.
Nakubali mimi masikini, wengi wakopata matajiri, marubani na madaktari, malenga wenye mashairi, wengi wachapa kokisiri, rade kunitia dosari, jiepushe au ni hata.
Lakini mtransfer sasa mkiwa manyumbani, the message mmepeana leo mpayane pia nyumbani. Takataka inauzwa, machupa za plastic zinauzwa, shilingi ngapi? 15 shillings a kilo. Zile za mikate, plastic ya mikate kilo moja ni 350 a kilo. Ismail ananunua, kila kitu inauzwa. Pia ile biodegradable mtengeneze mbolea. So thank you, we are going to share this, and thank you for healing nature. Mmekuja kutibu nature. Yeah, thank you very much. Because you are the future generation. Basically, you are the future now. Thank you. Madam President, a quick message.
Thank you for coming, and pick up your trash.
Pick up your trash.
Pick up your trash.
Pick up your trash.
Thank you very much. God bless. Ujipigie makofi. Okay, we discuss. Hakikisha bila mmekuja mmerudi hivyo hivyo. Hatutaki missing children today.
Kila mtu ashike mtoto alikuja naye mkono. Make sure you have all the things that you can.
Okay, one song before we go.
Okay.
Let's preach peace and love through this song, okay? Okay. Kenya ni, we will sing together. Nafikiri kila mtu anajua huu wimbo. Kenya ni fahari yetu, undugu ndio nguvu, chuki na ukabila hatutaki hata kamwe. Lazima tuungane, tuijenge nchi yetu, pasiwe hata moja anayetenganisha. Naishi na tumaini, najitolea daima Kenya. Hakika ya bendera ni uthabiti wangu, nyeusi ya wananchi na nyekundu ni ya damu, kijani ni ya ardhi, nyeupe ya amani. Daima mimi Kenya, mwananchi
mzalendo. Thank you. Shout out to my nephew Jude for doing this beautiful picture. He participated in the challenge Pick Up Your Trash, and he did a picture as you can see here. So Jude, thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for being my biggest supporter. You and Jason are the best. I shout you out, Jason. I shout you out, Jude. Pick up your trash. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode. I ask you to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment down below, to watch my videos, to tell your friends, to tell their friends, to tell your family members, to tell anyone who is in your contact list, because we are on the road to 1,000, baby. Thank you so much for everyone who came out for the campaign. Pick up your trash. I'll catch up with you guys in the next one. Bye.